What initially drew me to the career of perfumery is my background in Brazil. I was born in Brazil. My first job was at Unilever, where I worked doing quality control in all raw materials for the cosmetics side. And one of the raw materials, of course, was fragrance, and that got me interested in fragrances. So I moved to the United States and I started not as a creative perfumer, but as an analytical perfumer. I started Premier 25 years ago. So that's when I have my shot at being a perfumer and creating fragrances. And I think the whole process starts with, of course, what is being asked. What is the application? Who is the customer? That's how you start your process of thinking about creating a fragrance. Creating a fragrance is, of course, a process. You have to know your palette, you have to know all the essential oils, the bases, and you go through that not only, sitting behind four walls smelling blotters, but you have to use all your knowledge of everything in the world, so you are open. So you are using your knowledge in other cultures, music, food, everything that can inspire you, so you can create the fragrance that's being asked. And again, it's not something that you just sit behind walls smelling blotters of raw materials. You have to use all your heart, your brain, everything together. Being a chemist helps me a lot, and I have an advantage, I say, over other perfumers that are not chemists, because I can create fragrances based on the performance of each raw material. I know how they will perform in a fragrance. I know how long they will last, if they are going to degrade. I know their chemical characteristics, how they interact with other ingredients. So for me, that's an advantage, being a chemist. It seemed to go like in a trend. In winter time, you see a lot of embers, and then those phase out to be more fresh. And the only way to keep up with all that is smell, and smell. You'll be nosy. You are out there, you are in the market, you are at the mall, you are smelling. And if you love what you do, that is not a job, it's a fun thing to do. So far, the most rewarding thing I have in my career is to be able to mentor other people, other perfumers, other chemists that will grow to go on to their own life, their own careers, and seeing them grow and being able to transfer what I know to them is very rewarding. You cannot bring your knowledge to the grave, so share it. If you have a knowledge, you have to share it, and I am very fortunate to be able to do that in my career.